Hello and welcome to this video, where I'll be taking you through the necessary steps to installing an Olixar tempered glass case-compatible screen protector to your iPhone XR. Especially with iPhone's reputation for cracked screens, you'll need to make sure you have the best screen protection on the market. Olixar make a wide range of screen protectors for the latest smartphones on the market and are recognised for their overall quality, clarity and compatibility with the latest mobile tech. These live up to their expectations in terms of responsiveness and are designed in a way that they camouflage into the phone's edge seamlessly enough that you don't notice that they're there. Whether you need a protector that works around your case, or you need something that covers your delicate glass exterior front to back, Olixar have you covered. Though we will be focusing on the front glass screen protector for the XR in today's video, you can still see examples of the glass back protector installation for the iPhone X on our channel. To begin with, lay out all of your tools provided on your work surface to make sure it's close to hand, as installing a glass protector can be a very fast process. You'll need a cleaning wipe, a drying cloth, and the aid stickers to help you remove dust and align the protector properly. Take the screen wipe and give the phone's surface a good once over to thoroughly remove any fingerprints and greasy marks. Take the small cloth provided and wipe over the entire screen to dry off any excess cleaning fluid. Peel away the dust removal sticker and dab it across the screen to make sure there's no dust on the surface. This is really important, as any dust trapped under the protector will form bubbles that are almost impossible to remove without reapplying. You can now attach the guide stickers to the top and bottom of the screen protector that will help you align the protector perfectly into place. Take the screen protector in hand and pull down the yellow tab to remove the protective film from the adhesive side. Lower the protector down onto the phone and match the black lines and camera spaces carefully to the screen edges to avoid any overlap. Once you're happy with the alignment, you simply drop the protector onto the surface and let it settle into place. If there are any remaining bubbles, use the cloth to push them to the edges for a clean finish. There you have it, a quick, easy way to apply case-compatible protection that hugs your phone perfectly. Embedded with enhanced shock protection technology, you'll be rest assured in knowing that your screen won't shatter on impact. Glass protectors have a reputation for showing imperfections and causing difficulties when interacting with touch-sensitive features, but these problems can easily be avoided by making sure you keep an eye out for dust during application and resetting your fingerprint ID after installation. So that's it for our easy installation guide for Olixar's case-compatible glass screen protector for the iPhone XR. If you like this video and want more installation guides and mobile accessory tips and tricks, then don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more great content.